Inside a PC bay.
I want the best game room here.
We have 3 room types, $1,000, $100, and $10.
I'll take the $1,000 one.
Here's your ticket.
Is there any $10 room here?
Take it.
Wow! In the $10 room. Meanwhile, in the $1,000 room.
What a huge game room. Oh wow.
How to build the gaming cockpit. Build a moving part. Back cover. The screens. The chair. Connect to the battery box. Testing.
Whoa, check out these 3 huge screens.
Wow! This PC is too old to play.
Hey, you, wanna play a game with me?
Let's fight. Here my truck.
My Horo version is better.
Oh no, my drink fell. I need to get another drink.
I'm so thirsty. What's going on?
The self-serve fridge is at your service. Soda fridge is on your left.
Perfect timing. I'm hungry too.
Snack fridge is on your right.
That's worth my money.
How to build the mini fridge. The motor. Scissor lift. Connect to the battery box. Mini fridges.
Winning is so easy.
I need to hurry. How did I lose? I've just gone for a second. I'll win this time.
In your dream.
With this mix, I'll win for sure. I'm about to win that guy.
Alert, the power is overloaded.
What's wrong?
I got lucky.
Not fair.
I'm the champion again.
Open the door. You're dead meat.
Please, spare me.
That's what you get for beating me.
Wow! This bowling alley is so modern.
That's awesome.
Wow! How to build the bowling machine. Step 1. Build the pin sitter. Step 2. Build the lane. Ball return. Bowling lane. Pin deck. Pin sweep.
But it's still boring. Let's change these pins to something harder.
Coke bottles. French fry boxes. Lego money. Lego dynamite.
Now, let's play the game.
Round 1. Coke bottles.
I'll knock down all the pins.
Strike.
I definitely won.
Round 2. French fry boxes.
Don't laugh too soon.
3 out of 6.
The next turns will be harder.
Just wait and see.
Round 3. Lego money.
Oh! This money will be mine. No points, but I still have that money. Oh no, where's my money?
Serves you right, you show off.
Round 4. Lego dynamite.
Piece of cake. Oh no, what happened?
I'll never let you win.
They're about to explode.
These carrots are so lush. I'll harvest them tomorrow. Oh no! What happened? Where are my carrots? This mole ate them all. You'll pay for that. Darn it!
How to make the whack-a-mole game. the holes, the push rods, the gear set. Connect to the battery box. These push rods will move objects up and down. Carrot. Put the carrots into the holes. Testing with carrots. I'll use the mole from the Lego Newt Scamander 71022 set. Now, replace some of the carrots with some moles. Hammer. Testing with moles.
You can't hide forever. Let's try one more time. I caught you. I defeated it. Oh no, all the carrots are gone. It brought its whole family here. Darn it. Go to hell, you mole pest. Serves you right, mole.
A long time later.
Finally, I can harvest them. My carrot. Those moles must be back.
Behind the house. I got so many carrots.
How to build the lottery luck wheel. Step 1. Build the spinning disc. The wheel face. Step 2. Build the stand. Install the motor and battery. Step 3. Connect spinning disc to the stand. Install the spindle. Install the pointer. Testing. The axe. The drill. The saw.
I'll go first.
Go ahead, Stan.
Goodbye, Alex.
Face your fate. Hope you're lucky.
Huh? I'll find a way to escape.
This is gonna be fun. Take your punishment like a man.
Huh? Don't make this harder. Huh? Huh?